everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another exciting video. Today I'm planning to make ultimate chickpea salad or Chana Chaat. It's gonna be very different than normally we make. It's gonna be very special, high in protein, very healthy. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So for this recipe I have here about a cup of chickpeas, which is I overnight soak it and cook it for about 1.5 hours on medium heat in salted water. So you can do ahead of time, get ready all of this, or you can store in your fridge also. You make a big quantity and put some water, cold water, and store it in your fridge for at least for a week. It's gonna be okay to use after 1 week also. So first, we're gonna chop some vegetable for this ultimate salad. So for this recipe, I have half an onion. We're gonna chop it. And also the tomato. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make tomato rosette. It's pretty easy to make. So you can use 2 times as a garnish also, and also you can chop it up and use for whatever you want to make it. So I'm going to use for our Chana Chaat. So I'm going to first use the skin, make a little rosette. So just you see the bottom of the tomato, just cut it, slide thinly, slice like this, and then you're gonna roll it up, slice it up, just like this. Don't take too much, just the skin. Just try to remove the skin pretty slowly if you are not used to knife. See, I broke it. And then even you broke it, you can attach. See, you roll it up like this, just like this. And then broken part join together and roll it again, just like this. And now we have a beautiful rosette. You guys can see. I'm going to show you closer. So this is, you can use it for your garnish also. So I'm going to keep on the side. I'm going to use as a decoration. An easiest way to take out the stems is just cut cross and then you take it out the little stem, so you don't waste too much tomato cutting big chunk of tomato, just removing that. And now I'm going to chop up some cucumber also, not so much, just a little tiny bit of cucumber, also dice. So I'm going to slice first. Pretty easy, you can do many things on slices. And then you can stack them up like this. And then you make a little julienne kind of thing, and then you can dice it up like this. Pretty easy, right? And the ultimate part of this chaat is avocado. I'm using a half avocado and then just move the seed, cut into half and remove the skin. Just like this, you can peel the smooth skin. Then also we're gonna dice the avocado too. Also I have a boiled potato. I'm going to add the boiled potato also. You slice first and I'm gonna dice it up also. Just like this. Add it to the salad. So I'm gonna cut hard-boiled egg. You can boil the egg at a time. So also I'm gonna chop it up, the egg also. And now some green onion. Some green chili. You can use according to your taste. So now I'm gonna cut some cilantro or coriander, fresh coriander. I'm gonna chop it up. So everything is cut and ready for our chana chaat. So I'm gonna add some spices. So I have about half a cup of yogurt. I'm gonna add it to. You're gonna mix the yogurt first, so no lumps and anything there. I'm gonna add it to the chaat. Salt according to your taste. And 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. And I have here, I have a mixer of chili, the dry chili, whole dry chili, and the cumin whole. We roasted off and half, and we blend it together, like, you know, use like a make like a powder. So you can make like this. It's very good for especially you're making a chana chaat or your any salad. It's very nice, good flavor. You can use that and store it in your spice box. And anytime you want to make some chana chaat or aloo chaat or any chaat, you can use a little bit of that. So I'm using about 1.5 teaspoon of the mix, spice mix, and also half a lemon juice. Chaat is ready. I'm gonna mix it everything together nice. So our chaat is ready. So I'm gonna do some presentation. So I have here salad bowl. I'm gonna put my nice chana chaat in the middle of the bowl. Just like this. I'm gonna put some save. I like save as a garnish. Just a little tiny bit of the save. You can use a chaat papdi also. It's up to you, whatever you feel like. And also some green chutney I made earlier. Not too much. And some yogurt dressing. You can drizzle on the top of that. And some green onion and the cilantro chop. I want to sprinkle a little bit of spice mix, which is actual chili, dried chili and cumin. Just to sprinkle a little bit of that. And I'm gonna put the rosette, which is we made earlier, just like this. I'm gonna add some egg. I boiled 2 eggs. I saved 1 for a garnish. You're gonna just add garnish like this. It's up to you. You wanna do it. It's good. Look nicer. So I cut into quarters and I just add it to our decoration. Just like this. Voila. So now I'm gonna make individual cup. I have here one small ice cream cup or any fancy cup you have at home. You can use that like an individual portion. You wanna make, you can serve like this also, like everybody get one. So you're gonna put your Chana Chaat inside. And gonna add little funky little green leaf, little lemon slice, and I have some cucumber here, sliced cucumber. I want to add it to the ball like just like this. Gonna look fancy. Some save on the top. Some green chutney, some yogurt dressing, and some green chopped coriander. I have a cherry tomato, like small tomato. I'm gonna cut it to half. The baby tomato, I'm gonna add it to the decoration just like this. Give a little color to. Voila, beautiful, is it? You can serve like this also for your guest. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Came out very nice, look amazing, taste amazing, and it's very quick and easy. Please do try this recipe. It's very healthy choice. If you don't want to eat meal for the day and you want to eat this salad and fill you up, keep you energetic whole day. And also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you like our video, consider subscribe our channel. I will be back pretty soon. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz everyone.